Everybody is looking for a quick fix. Yeah, quick fix to lose weight, a quick fix to achieve your goals, a quick fix to hear from God, a quick fix to accomplish whatever goal that's going to take time. There is no quick fix. But what there is that you being intentional on achieving that said goal, whether it's to lose 10 pounds, whether it's to read your Bible more so that you can hear from God, because we all know, or if you don't know, I'm going to tell you, the way that you can hear from God is that you read His Word and study His Word, because His voice will always line up with what He already said. Getting a new job, or learning a new skill, it's going to take time. That's why there's novice, apprentice, and proficient, and then expert. You don't just start out being an expert at anything. You start off being a novice. A novice means that you don't know anything. Apprentice means, okay, you know a little bit more than a novice. You know, you're getting there. You know enough to maybe help somebody that don't know. Proficient means, you know, you're good. You're efficient in it. You can teach some other people. You know, you can hold your own. Expert, people come to you, okay? You teach everybody, but you don't just arrive as an expert. Just like with a baby, they are born into this world. They don't know nothing, right? They don't talk, they don't walk, they don't even crawl. But guess what? Start somewhere too. You got to do tummy time. Then they start doing their little crawl. Then they start to crawl. Then they start to stand. Then they walk. And then through there, and then they start running. They don't just come out the womb and start running. Absolutely not. Because if they do, y'all, I don't know what to tell you. That's just a miracle baby. I don't know what to tell you. You just met all the milestones and too much. Impossible. But nevertheless, we all have to start somewhere. So there are no quick fixes. So I need you to stop thinking that there's a quick fix for anything. There's no quick fix to lose weight. There's no quick fix to get closer to God. There's no quick fix to be successful. There's no quick fix in anything. You have to be intentional. You have to put the work into it. You have to do what you're supposed to do. If you need help, go to the top of my page, holler at your girl, comment below, whatever it is, so that we can get the ball running, because, friends, you got to work while it's day. The sun is going down.